So yeah, just got this TV going, just got it on YouTube, connected to the laptop, and had it for a while trying to figure out what was wrong with it. So the fuse on the main logic board was gone, so when I replaced that, it would turn on, but it wouldn't, nothing would happen. So then I checked the fuse on the backlight inverter board, and that was gone. So I bridged that, and still same thing. So I ended up, I couldn't figure out what was wrong with this backlight inverter board, but it did look a bit burnt around kind of the base of like one of these transformers. So yeah, I just replaced the whole board of this backlight inverter, and it only cost a few bucks, so cheap enough really. And yeah, it's coming on, so pretty happy about that. It does take about 5 to 10 seconds for the TV to actually turn on, so not sure why that is. 470 microfarad. It's like, yeah, not really sure. Maybe these caps weren't the same value, but don't know really. Just a guess, but yeah, can live with that. Only cost about $1 for the TV and $3 for the part, so pretty happy.